Let's create one more tutorial in FreeCAD. In this video, you'll learn to use pad, bucket, and mirror. So open the FreeCAD and let's go. The first step to create this part, we will select the front plane and make this sketch. And here will be the midpoint. And the first thing that we'll make, we will create these 3 circles. This circle has 20 millimeters of diameter. This one has 20 millimeters of diameter. And the distance between the center of the circle and the midpoint is 25 and 75. So go to create a sketch and select the front plane. And select a circle, click here, make a circle here in the center with 20 millimeters. And create another circle here with 20 millimeters of diameter. Go to dimension. The distance here 25 and the distance here 75 millimeters. And now we will create this circle with 30 millimeters of diameter, and the distance between the center of the circle and this circle here is 100 millimeters and 35 millimeters. Make a circle here with 30 millimeters of diameter and go to dimension, select the center of the circle and this circle here, the distance here 100 millimeters and the distance here 35 millimeters. Let me move this dimension a little bit. And now we will create this arc. This arc is tangent with the both circles and the radius is 80 millimeters of radius. So go to arc from 3 points, select this arc, this circle here and this circle, make an arc here. Go to constraint, select tangent, select this arc and this circle, select this arc and this circle, and go to dimension. The radius here 80 millimeters. Now let's create this arc here, tangent with the both circles and the radius 150 millimeters. Go to arc from 3 points again, make an arc between these 2 circles. Make sure that this arc is tangent with the both circles. And the radius here is 150 millimeters of radius. And now let's create this arc here with 50 millimeters of radius and tangent with the both circles, okay? So select here, make this tangent and go to dimension. The radius here is 50 millimeters. And here we will extrude the main body here. So we will cut these circles, cut here in this side and cut in this side. So go to trim, cut here the circle, cut the circle in this side here and in this side here. We made this profile. So leave the sketch, go to pad. We need to extrude this 20 millimeters. So the mode here, select symmetric and the length 20 millimeters and press OK. And now we will make this cut here. This sketch is an offset with 5 millimeters of length. So select this face and go to create a sketch and go to external projection, select this face here. And now select all this sketch and go to offset. And the distance here is -5. Now leave the sketch and go to bucket. We need to cut this 5 millimeters in this side and 5 millimeters in this side. So the length here 5 millimeters, press OK. To make this cut in the other side, go to mirror and select here transform two shapes and click here add feature, select this face here And the plane here, change to XZ plane and press OK. We made this cut in the both sides. And now we will create this cylinder here, this one with this cut here, and this one. We will create the both because they have the same length, 35 millimeters. So here we have a circle with 30 millimeters and another circle with 20 millimeters. And in this side, we have a circle with 20 millimeters and another circle with 10 millimeters, okay? So go to create a sketch and select the front plane. Go to external projection, select this face, okay. Now select the circle, click here at this point, make a circle here with 30 millimeters and create another circle here with 20 millimeters of diameter. And here at this point, make a circle with 20 millimeters and create a circle here with 10 millimeters. We made this, okay? Now leave the sketch and go to pad. The mold here, symmetric, and the length 35 millimeters. And press OK. And now we need to create this pipe here. The diameter 20 millimeters and 10 millimeters. Here is the midpoint. And we need to extrude this 30 millimeters, okay? So go to create a sketch and select the front plane again. Select a circle, click here in the midpoint, make a circle with 20 millimeters and create another circle with 10 millimeters. Now we need to extrude these two circles. So leave the sketch and go to pad. The mold here, select symmetric and the length 30 millimeters. And press OK. And that's it. So here we finish our exercise. So thanks for watching, subscribe my channel for more, and see you in the next videos. Bye bye.